there's anyone that's thinking, I'm still not sure that a tool like either Pictory or even AI video can help me, what would you say to them if they're on the fence still?
If you're on the fence, jump on the other side. I mean, with that promotion that you just shared there, Patty, I think it's worth the risk to just jump in and start playing around with the tool, procuring a license, and really starting to see how it can change your workflow. You're going to notice immediately the hours that you're going to get back in the day. And there will be a slight learning curve just in terms of learning how to use the tool, but it's a very surmountable learning curve in terms of, being an educator that knows technology. You're not going to find yourself swimming or completely lost in your user adoption, which will allow you to focus on your outcomes. So I think just jumping in, being brave, getting that license and playing around with it, sharing the content with people. Once you start sharing it with people, that's when you're going to notice the difference, right?
Yeah.
Because you may have saved yourself 3 hours that day, but when you share it with someone and then you get their reaction as a learner, that's really where you start to see things change organizationally or just for yourself. If you're, an independent tutor or educator, right, you're going to start to notice this feels different than what I was doing before.
It's like that aha moment, isn't it? And I think that's something we always want people to get when they're using our product. But as a learner, if you can say, oh wow, like I didn't know I could do that, or I didn't know I was able to do this with App Direct, for example, you've like created that moment of delight that's going to stay very, very, very long time.